To add custom fields to Invoices, navigate to the Control panel and then Custom Fields. Here, you can add up to 20 custom fields that can be displayed on the Process Transaction screen, in the virtual terminal, and/or on the invoices that the customer sees when they go to pay their invoices. Let's add an additional field by clicking here. We'll add a label, and we can specify that we want it showing on invoices, and we want it to be a required field so that the customer needs to fill out this field before they pay the invoice. We'll click Save Changes, and then we'll click into Invoices to create a new invoice. And send it off. When the customer receives the invoice, it'll look like this, and if we scroll down, we'll see the custom fields that we just added. These 3 are required, so they need to be filled out. What's left is an optional notes field. Once the customer fills in all the information, they can go ahead and pay off that invoice.